Hello grade 5 children. In today's session we are going to see a new chapter which is called the patterns. What is mean by patterns? Patterns is nothing but it's related to any type of event or objects. So ஒரு set of numbers வந்து ஒரு specific rule use பண்ணி கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா that is called the patterns using a specific rule. Okay. Patterns is also known as sequence. It means a proper order. It can be finite or infinite number of patterns. So see the example. First one is star, then bar, then 3 dots, then star, then bar, 3 dots. So we can continue this pattern. Okay, now just see the types of patterns. In mathematics, we have 3 types of pattern. One is repeating pattern. So if it has the same value in each time, it is called the repeating pattern. See the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you see all the numbers, it is increasing by 1, which is the same value. So it is called your repeating pattern. And next one is called your growing pattern. So growing patterns means it will be in the increasing order. See the example 34, 40, 46, 52. So it is increasing by 6 numbers. So next one is striking patterns. In striking patterns, the numbers will be in the decreasing form. See the examples. So here it is 42, then 40, then 38, then 36. So it is in the decreasing order and it is decreasing by 2 numbers. See the next one, it is a man-made pattern. First image is tiles, okay, and the second one is fence, and the third one is color pencils. So it is made up of a specific rule which is made by man. So it is called a man-made pattern. Okay, see the next one, next one is natural pattern. So it is naturally made. See the first one, it is honeycomb, then sunflower, then third one is log of a tree. So it is made naturally. Next one is your triangular numbers. See the first dot, it is 1, then 3, then 6, then 10 and 15. It's growing, right? Yes, it is add by 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So if you are adding with the countable numbers, you will get the triangular numbers. See the dots, it forms a triangle. So within 5 dots, we can't make any triangle. So it is the rule of the triangular numbers, which is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. It will be going on. Also, it is increasing 1 dots by rows, right? Yes. See this, to get to triangular numbers, keep on adding the next natural number. What is mean by natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all your natural numbers. So if you keep on adding the natural numbers, you will get the triangular numbers. So here the rule is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this you will study in your higher class. And this kittle we can take an example for triangular numbers. It forms a triangle. Next one is square numbers. So numbers which can be arranged in a square shape. For example, 1 square we get 1, then 2 square 4, then 3 square 9. So it forms a square shape. So it is called your square numbers. And 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So if you repeat the number two times, you will get the answer to form a square number. Then see the progressive pattern here. It is a pattern that increase or decrease in 2 or more ways. It can be vary in size, color, texture and value. See the first one, it is 1 mango, then 2 mango, then 4 mango, then 8 mangoes. It is gradually increasing, right? So progressive, it is nothing but gradually increasing. It is called a progressive pattern. Now students, just take page number 199, patterns. What kind of patterns is the world made of? Yes, the world is made of natural pattern and man-made pattern and still some more types of patterns. Here I have written natural pattern and man-made pattern. And in this lesson we are going to see how the patterns are formed, then how to create a progressive pattern. How can we create progressive pattern? We can create progressive pattern by using designs or by using any object. Now see 8.1 PEP. Complete the multiplication table of 2 and observe the pattern. PEP, Preparatory Enrichment Program. What type of pattern presents here? Yes, it is the multiplication table of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. What is the next number? It is 16, then it is 18, then it will be 20. So it is called here growing pattern, or we can say this as a adding pattern, adding by 2. Just move on to the next page. Look at the ones place of the products. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, then again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 is there. So here a set of number is repeated to form patterns, right? And what is the repeating unit of this pattern? Yes, it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So that number is repeated. So the answer is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So see the next one, observe and complete the following pattern. So here we have to complete the following pattern. So the numbers are 37, 39, and what will be the next number? Yes, if you add by 2, you will get the answer. So what is the answer here? It is 41. 39 plus 2, it is 41. And here what kind of pattern is this? We can say this as adding pattern or addition of pattern. Otherwise, it is growing, right? So it is increasing. So it is called here growing pattern. Already as I said, patterns will be in a particular sequence using a definite rule, and the types are repeating patterns, growing or reducing pattern. So see the example here, one pattern is repeated and here triangle, circle, then what will be the next? Triangle. And see here the size of A is decreasing, so it is reducing pattern, and the next one is 5, 10, 15, and the next number is 25, it is increasing by 5, so it is called here increasing pattern. Now just move on to the next page, hands-on activity. Observe the pattern. From the figure 1, form the patterns using beads. So இங்க beads use பண்ணி patterns வந்து create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. We have to answer what kind of pattern is this. So see the image, it is growing, right? 1, 3, 6, 10. So it is growing. So it is called here growing pattern. That's the answer. Next, what is the rule of this pattern? See the rule. Observe the rule. So if you see the image here, 1 dot, then in the second row 2 dots, then in the third row 3 dots are increasing, then in the fourth row 4 dots are increasing. So here the dots of the rows are increasing. That's what I have given the answer as. The number of dots in the rows are increasing by 1. And the next one is, which shape do these patterns make? These patterns make a triangular shape. It forms a triangle, right? Yes. See the next one, extend the pattern using the rule, draw it in a space provided. So we are going to extend the pattern here using a specific rule, and we are going to draw here. So see the first one, 3, then 6, then 10. So what will be the next one? Here the number of rows are increasing by 1. Right? Yes, it is increasing by 1. So see here it is 1, then 2, 3, 4. So what will be the next one? So here it will be 5 dots, the next one it will be 6 dots. So see the next one here, 2 dots, then 3, then here it will be as 4 dots. Then in the next image it will be as 5 dots. So the rows will be gradually increasing. Right? Yes. So how many dots will be here? It will be 15. And the next one it will be as 21. So using 15, 21 and 3, 6, 10 only you can form a triangle. So see the next one, in the same manner extend the following pattern. See this image, actually in your book it is wrong. So we can't make a square like this. It's not a, and the third one it is not a square. So நம்ம முன்னாடியே அதோட image பார்த்திருப்போம். So you have to draw here. Using that image you have to extend the pattern, which forms a square pattern. And see what will be your answer here? Yes, 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Then what about 3 square? Here the answer will be 9. And the next one, the answer will be 4 square 16. So next the answer will be 5 square, which is as 25. Then 6 square 36. Then 7 square 49. So it will be increasing like this as a square pattern. Now just to see the next page, 8.3, use beads to form a triangular and or a square numbers for each of this number. See the first question, what patterns do each of the numbers form? So here the number 21 and 36 can form a triangular number. So if you check out that you can get the answer. See the next one, which numbers can form both triangular and square number? The number 36 and 49 can form both triangular and square number, because 6 square 36 and 7 square it is 49. So if you check out the triangular number also, you will get the answer. Natural numbers oda நீங்க add பண்ணி பாத்தீங்கன்னா you will get the triangular numbers. Now just see the next one, observe the pattern in figure 2. So see the first one, here A, B, C, D are increasing, right? It is called your increasing pattern. So here the number of dots are increasing to form a ring, and the color is also is progressive from dark to light. So A la irundhu D varayum பாத்தீங்கன்னா the colors will be differing from dark color to light color. That's the answer here. You can write the answer in the dash. Now just move on to the next page. So here it is a progressive pattern. So progressive pattern means it will be decrease or increase in size or color or texture. So in this image the color is differing from light color to dark color. So and the stitches also increasing from each ring, right? And see the next one. So here it is called a Snellen chart, which is used by ophthalmologist and eye doctor. So Snellen chartலாம் வந்து eye doctors தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க இதை. So here the letters are shrinking. It is decreasing, right? Size of the letters are decreasing from upwards to downwards, and if you see downwards to upwards, the size are increasing. Now just move on to the next page, look around. Observe objects around you that follow a progressive pattern. So you have to see a progressive patterns and you have to draw the image here. It is for your self work. And you have to mention the rule also there, what type of patterns present. And now just see 8.5, what makes these progressive pattern. That's the question, and we have to identify the rules also, and we have to write the space provided. And see the first one, it is a she cell, right? So here the size of the spirals are increasing from smaller spiral to larger spiral. So the size of the spirals are increasing, and the color also progressive from dark to light color. So these are the rules. And now just see the next one. See the B picture. So it is a sunflower image, and here if you keenly observe, the dots in the sunflowers are increasing. So it is started from one dot, then it's gradually increasing. So that is the first rule. And the second rule is the color is progressive from green to yellow color. So green color landi yellow color variyum appdi extend aide irukku. So this is a pattern, and you have to do this as a self work, and you have to write the rules, what type of patterns present here. Children, here is your self work, complete it and post it in the group. You can use a space in your companion book which is given below for your calculation part. Thank you.